In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Castle of Blackwater on your PC. So what you have to do is go to Google, and once you have done that, we would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now the next step is to locate this game on Steam, so go to the Steam website. There search for the game Castle of Blackwater, select it, and after that scroll a little bit down. And as you can see, this game is already available for just €5.85. If you would like to download it, add it to your cart. After that, view your cart, and now you can continue to the payment to actually download this game on your PC. So hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!